and welcome. Today, we're diving into one of Python's most versatile control structures, the for loop. This loop is essential for iterating over sequences, like lists, tuples, or strings, allowing you to execute a block of code multiple times efficiently. Imagine you have a list of items, and you want to perform the same operation on each item. Instead of writing repetitive code, a for loop automates this process, making your code cleaner and more efficient. Let's jump into an example using the Spyder IDE, a popular tool for Python development. Python example of a Python for loop. List of fruits, apple, banana, cherry. For loop to print each fruit for fruit in fruits, print fruit. In this simple example, we have a list called fruits containing 3 items. The for loop iterates over each item in the list, temporarily assigning it to the variable fruit, and executes the block of code indented beneath the loop. In this case, it prints each fruit's name. Here's a quick breakdown. For is the keyword that starts the loop. Fruit is a temporary variable that takes the value of each item in the list one at a time. In is another keyword that specifies the sequence to iterate over. Fruits is the list we're iterating through. The indented code block after the colon is executed for each item. Try experimenting by replacing fruits with other sequences, such as a range of numbers or a string, and watch how the for loop efficiently processes each element. Happy coding, and keep exploring Python's powerful capabilities.